Cool. So in this video, I'm going to show you the difference between a conversion tool and a conversion event, and ultimately how you can use these to make 5K a month as an online coach. So you can travel more, you can spend more time with your friends and family, and you don't feel chained to the gym floor. And you can still personal train your clients, but the ones that you want to, not the ones that you feel that you have to. So firstly, let's talk about a conversion tool. So a conversion tool is typically known as like a lead magnet. And this is something like, let's say, a calorie calculator. So a conversion tool will be something you use that people can go and do on their own. So try and think about a calorie calculator is not something you do with them, it's something you send them. So the typical funnel for this would be you go onto your story and you would say, if you're trying to lose weight right now and you're struggling and you don't know what your calories are, then you're crazy. And what I've done is I've created this calorie calculator. DM me the word calories and I will work out your calories for you and tell you exactly what you need to eat to lose weight. So you can steal what I just said and you can go and fire that up today and you will generate some leads, okay? But they will be colder leads, okay? Whereas with a conversion event, this is something like running a free challenge. So this is why with the guys inside FBC, one of the first things I get them to do as their first ever conversion event is get them to run a free challenge, because this is people that have higher intent to get coaching eventually. So an example of this would be you run a free 14-day challenge, you load it up with people, you give them a real experience of what it's like to have a coach, be part of a community. They finally have workouts to follow. They do that for 2 weeks and they show up every day. Well, just logically thinking about that, do you think the person that does that every day and engages in your free challenge, do you think they're more likely to sign up to your program? Or do you feel like the guy or girl that downloaded your calorie calculator? It kind of goes without saying. So, what I want you to start considering is maybe you spent too much time focusing on like lead magnets, like calorie calculators. I'll put here as well. You've got like free, ebooks. You could have like cheat sheets, which is great stuff, by the way. But then the alternative is that maybe it's time to try something like a free challenge or running like a free masterclass. I teach this inside FBC to the guys, or it might be a strategy session. So this is running a session with someone where you say, "Hey, let's jump on a call. I'll run you through your biggest challenge right now. We'll set some goals, and I'll give you a bit of a game plan to get you there." This is a very different kind of person that joins a conversion event. Like if you ever join a masterclass with me, a free 60-minute session on Zoom, or you join one of my free challenges in the future, or we jump on a strategy session and we brainstorm ideas about your business, there's a lot more higher intent that you're going to sign up to my program now or in the future than if you're just downloading my free stuff or just watching videos like this. Like this video here that you're watching right now means that you're way more interested than just the people that see my Instagram stuff. So you've got an upper level in the ladder. But then for you to download my lead magnet versus join a free masterclass, again, completely changes the temperature of the lead. So if you want to start signing more online clients, if you want to start making 5K a month as an online coach, I would make sure that you have conversion tools that you share on your IG on a weekly basis. So maybe twice a week, Monday, Thursday, or Tuesday, Friday, lead magnets, getting into conversation with people. And then what I would do is on a monthly basis, I would do a free challenge or a free masterclass. And periodically throughout the week, share some free strategy session slots on your calendar. That way, you're going to get people into conversation with you, and they're also going to spend more time with you. Typically, the more time people spend with someone, it increases and improves the parasocial relationship. And this has been proven time and time again to increase the likelihood that they're ever going to buy from you. So, if you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment below. And if you want to learn more about working with me and actually having me teach you, like give you the step by step guide on all this stuff inside FBC, inside the mentorship with the other guys and girls, DM me the word mentor on IG at Fitness Business Coaching. And let's see if or how we can help you grow your online business.